How to get a motorcycle license in Alberta. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. A Class 6 license lets you drive a motorcycle moped or motor-driven cycle solo. If you only have a driver's license, you will start with a Class 6 GDL graduated driver license. In step number 1, you need to be at least 16 years old and have held a valid Class 5 or Class 7 driver's license for at least 1 year. While riding with a learner's license, you must have a supervisor who holds a full Class 6 license. Next, you will need to pass a knowledge test. The test has 30 questions covering road rules, traffic signs, and motorcycle safety. You can prepare by studying the Alberta Rider's Guide. Once you pass the knowledge test, book your road test. The road test takes about 60 minutes and includes skills like turning, balance, and speed control. You can book your test online through AMA website. You riders who pass the test will get a provisional Class 6 GDL license valid for 2 years. During this period, you must maintain a 0 blood alcohol level and avoid accumulating 8 or more demerit points. Finally, the AMA recommends logging 60 hours of riding practice and taking a certified motorcycle safety course to boost your confidence and safety on the road. Good luck and ride safe. That's all. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.